Now, as a
Because
lawyer based out of Ecuador, from an experience perspective, because you said you were in the industry for 20 years, how important is experience in helping your clients?
well, it does depend on the subject. Real estate sometimes is a kind of business environment, and is about to build agreements about the cost of the house, about what which issues I can agree with the owner of the house, for example. So if you want to sell a new house, you say, okay, everything is perfect, but if you put a kitchen, I can pay you more, you know? So as a buyer, you save some time and money, because if you buy the new house without a kitchen, then you must looking for a provider of kitchens, and maybe it's more expensive, you know, because the company that build the house has another agreement with the kitchen's provider. Maybe it's cheaper. So that kind of negotiations and agreements are very interesting during real estate business. But if we talk about, for example, family law, that's another history. Maybe in family law, in divorces, for example, or when you want to fight for your children, with when you want to fight about the custody of the children. It's not so easy, because your client could be the father or the mother, and as a lawyer, you always have just part of the history family, and you just have to try to inquire a little bit more. Because at the end of the day, as a lawyer, you also have the right to decide if you get involved in the case or not.
Interesting. Interesting. So you don't have to take the case.
Here in Ecuador, well, when I got graduated from university, we didn't have enough, how do you say? The government usually provide you a lawyer for free if you don't have enough money, okay? But right now, government pay their own employees, who are lawyers as well, to create a defense to these people that don't have enough money. But in the past, the government usually make like an assignment. It was like a duty. So sometimes they choose your professional services without telling you. It's like, this person don't have enough money, so you have to provide your professional services as a lawyer. Usually this kind of services was provided in criminal law.
Right.
Yeah, it was really interesting, of course, but at the same time is kind of stressful, because if you are not part of that practice, if you are not a lawyer specialized in criminal law, it's really stressful, because you have to study a lot. But yeah, at the end of the day, you cannot say no.
How many different types of lawyers are there? Because you said criminal law, family law, commercial law. Like, how many different types of law are there?
Well, right now we have a lot of specializations, okay, because of the compliance issues, okay. Before we had like just corporate law, you have criminal law, maybe constitutional, what not so known, like it's not so famous, but right now we have a lot of specializations, because of the market. The market demands from us more research. So the government, to provide in accurate way that demand, they build all this structure. So right now in Ecuador, we have a lot of courts specialized in many issues. So that's why lawyers must to adjust its professional career to these services, because at the end of the day, you are in the market and you have to offer the same thing as the government is offered.
Interesting.